Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Givvy Social, and we're going to be showing you whether it is possible to earn money just by being social, liking images, posting images, all that sort of thing. So if this is something that you could be interested in, then make sure you watch this video right to the very end, because I'm going to uncover some things that you're going to want to know about before you actually go and join and download the Givvy Social app. Okay, so let's jump across and go through Givvy Social and find out exactly what you have to do and how much money you can actually earn by downloading Givvy Social. Okay, before we check out the actual apping and we go inside the app, I just wanted to bring you across to Google Play, which is where I downloaded the actual app, and you can download it there too. There are some of the Givvy apps on the Apple Store, but I couldn't actually find the Givvy Social one. So have a check for that and make sure that you have a look for that. It may well be on Apple, but it may not. But it's definitely on Google Play, and as you can see here, fantastic reviews, 4.5 stars, and they've had 220,000 reviews, and they've had over a 1 million plus downloads. And it does say here parental guidance is needed with this app, because obviously you are socializing with other people that could be online. Okay, so be aware about that. So yeah, without further ado, like I say, that's had some fantastic reviews. So let's go over and find out exactly what Givvy Social's all about and when you can actually earn money just by being social. Okay, so let's go on to the Givvy Social app. So on this Givvy Social app now, and as you can see, we've just come into the main feed. And up the top right, top left-hand corner here, you see we've got some coins here. Some coins, points, whatever you want to call them. 92,500 I've actually earned so far. I've actually got a balance in there of 0.03 pence, and I've got 40 out of 40, and this is likes, and we'll show you exactly how this works very shortly. So basically what you've got to go and do here, guys, is you've got to go and connect with other people, you go and follow other people, you go and like pictures from the main feed here. So if we just click on the like star here, as you can see, 50 points added to my total, just like that. So very, very quick, very easy to do. You don't really need to worry about that. As you can see, my likes have gone down 39 now out of 40. So we can carry on doing this till you hit 40. What you do find is every now and again you will get obviously ads popping up. This is how they earn their money. So if you don't obviously want ads popping up, then obviously don't use the app. It's as simple as that. So as you can see here, we've got WatchTube here. It says earn now up to £100 a day just watching videos, listening to music. Start earning now. Okay, and you can earn 2,000 points by getting the WatchTube app. So obviously this is an ad, so you can click on make money, and then you'll actually download this other app. So be careful obviously what you're clicking on. So as you can see, I've just liked another picture there. You've got this picture here, and again, as you can see here, the Funzine app has just come in, and this again is like an ad. So we'll just watch this and then we'll be able to continue. Okay, so we've watched the ad. Obviously says to try and get the Funzine app, which you don't want to do. Just wait for the cross to come up and then click away and you go back to the site you want. It says here, want more likes? You can watch a short video and you can earn more likes and 1 more follows. Okay, so again, if you just click on watch now, this will take you to another ad. Again, this is an ad for Funzine, so they're obviously pushing Funzine today. And as you can see, I've turned the sound down obviously for this video, so you haven't got it playing in the background. So I'll just go and watch this and then I'll be back. Okay, so we've come back on. So like I've shown you easily how you can go and obviously just like things as you go down. You will keep getting these pop-ups, as you can see. But how you actually go, let's go on to my profile quickly. I've actually got 450 followers in a very short period of time. It says here, obviously, I can do another 35 likes and I can do another 20 follows. So you get so many points for actually following people. And I haven't even been following people. I actually follow just one person, but I have been uploading some images. And I found with the images, you can get a total climbing very, very quickly. So let's just quickly show you how easy it is to actually upload an image. Now, be careful what images you obviously upload. Make sure they're your own, or certainly you've got the rights to do that, because they don't go and just take images off Google, that sort of thing, because you could be accountable for copyright. So if you just plus this, and it says, do you want to open up in gallery, etc. I'm going to open up in my gallery and then choose an image. Now, this is an image of somewhere where we stayed, actually. So I'm just going to choose this image here. Okay, so this is a place where we stayed. So I'm just going to continue that. Now, you can put in some hashtags. So we can put here barn, and we can put holiday home. And so you can put 4 obviously hashtags, and then all you got to do is upload and just watch what happens when you've got quite a few followers. You'll see it coming up on the screen probably, but I've taken obviously the sound off so you don't keep getting interrupted. But what happens is on most of my videos now, I do get quite a lot of likes. This being early in the day, you may not get as many because obviously not many people are around. But as you can see, my total is going up to this side here. And you see, take this image here. That's had over 357 likes and 18 comments. Okay, so that's what we want it to have, is to suddenly boost like that. As you can see, it's going up quite rapidly now. So we're up to nearly 94,000, and we've already had 37 likes on this actual image ourselves. Okay, and 1 comment so far. So that's what you want to do if you're uploading images. You can then obviously get points for those. So how do you turn these points into actual cash? That's what we really want to know. And is it worth doing? So we need to just press on the withdraw button here. Okay, we go to withdraw, and it says here the $20 and $19 and that sort of thing. You can actually withdraw. People have withdrawn there. Okay, so I've got my converter here. So I want to go to my max. So the maximum I can withdraw is 85,000 coins, and that, if I convert it, will only actually be, so let's just convert it like that. Okay, now as you can see up in the top corner here, we've still got 8,000 coins, but we're now up to just 10 pence. Okay, so is that enough to withdraw? It may be, I don't know. As you can see here, you can withdraw when you get to 15 pence. You can withdraw through Payeer, AirTM, and Coinbase. Perfect Money is more. Amazon is more as well, and also PayPal. You have to have 85 pence, which is getting on for near enough $1 to withdraw with PayPal. So as you can see, guys, although this is really, really simple, really easy to do, yes, you're going to have to obviously connect with people an awful lot to actually get to withdraw some cash. Now, obviously with Coinbase, if you were collecting Bitcoin, I could withdraw very, very easily. I could probably do that within a day or so of joining the app. But if I wanted cash and PayPal cash or anything like that, then obviously I would have to obviously carry on using the app. Now, don't get me wrong, I could follow more people, I could do more likes every day, I could put more images up. Now, if you try and put more than 1 image per day, it normally just lets you do an image every so often. But if you wanted to skip that, you can just watch an ad and then it'll let you do an image. But as you can see, just by posting that image there, I'm now back up to, and you see it's going up all the time, 96, nearly 9,700, 9,800 now. So it's going up all the time, and my image has now got 84 likes. So that's the best way and the easiest way to go and actually get points, is by posting images to your account. Okay, and you will get more people following you as well, because obviously they'd be allowed to follow you to get points. If you don't want to follow anyone, that's fine. But all in all, this app, yes, it looks like it's going to be okay. I'm going to carry on playing it, so then I can probably do a video of showing you the withdrawal and how easy it is to withdraw, hopefully. But yeah, it is. It's a fun app. It's just obviously you're just liking images, posting your own images, connecting with people. Some people do message you, so obviously you can answer that or not answer that. It's up to you. But all in all, it is somewhere where you can earn a few cents. Okay, it's not going to be life-changing money. But it is going to be money, and if you build this up and you worked it over a course of a year, for argument's sake, every single day, then yeah, you could end up with quite a little bit of money coming in, because you could build your followers to thousands of people. And of course, if you post an image, then you could probably get near enough 100,000 in just one image, guys, because you could get probably 2,000 or 3,000 likes on it. So yeah, give obviously Givvy Social a try. See what you think. It is available in most countries. Like I said, I'm not sure whether it is available in the Apple Store, but so check that out. I know some of their apps are available, so you might be able to download Givvy Social on there. But all in all, yes, I think it's going to be legit. It's going to pay out, etc. But it's not going to be very, very quick money. But like you say now, I started 8,000 and I'm back up to over 10,000 just by posting that one image. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Okay, that's it for today. We will see you on the next video.